Hi, my name is Bo Brown. I'm here to talk about what kind of flowers hummingbirds will like and be attracted to. When you're planting your ornamental garden for hummingbirds, you want to plant a number of any types of flowers that will have deep tubes that are nectar producing, and just pretty much any deep tubed nectar producing flower they will come to. Penstemon, azalea, honeysuckle, mimosa, or just to name a few, trumpet creeper. There's a very long list depending on what part of the country you're in. In your hummingbird garden, you'll also want to plant a variety of flowers that have different blooming times, so you'll have blooms present over a wide period of time so they can have access to nectar all summer long.